From the moment you arrive, the architectural presence sets the tone: clean lines, balanced gables, and a welcoming covered entry that invites you inside. As the doors open, you're greeted by a soaring two-story foyer that immediately transitions into a breathtaking two-story great room, where natural light pours and creates an atmosphere of openness. At the heart of the home is a chef-inspired kitchen design for both connection and function, featuring an oversized island, seamless flow into the casual dining area, and clear sight lines into the great room. Step outside onto the expansive rear deck, where mornings begin with coffee. Upstairs, retreat to a luxurious owner's suite designed as a true sanctuary, complete with generous space, spa-style bath, and walk-in closets. Additional bedrooms are thoughtfully placed, offering comfort and privacy, while the open view below to the great room enhances the home's airy grand view. The terrace level is where possibility comes alive, featuring effect space, future bedroom, bath, and kitchenette, ideal for a private suite, entertainment zone, or income-producing opportunity. With ample storage and a layout designed for customization, this level adapts to your vision. Outside, the sitting complements the home, perfectly nestled in one of Buford's most desirable areas, where community, convenience, and lifestyle meet. Welcome to refined living in 5059 Hidden Brook, Sugarhill.